I lied to myself until it actually came true. And in this video, I'm going to explain what that lie was, how it actually came true, and how you guys can do exactly the same. Now, just before I continue the video, let me just give you a quick background on who I am. My name is Alim, and I left the UK over 12 months ago, right? I used to work several 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work in Argos, I used to work in World Duty Free, and I used to work at Sky. I used to hate my job, hate my life, and I was working for someone else, making 2-3 grand a month, right? Which wasn't enough. So I said, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags and move to Dubai. And the dream was to stay here in Dubai and make 6 figures a year on my online business so I can have financial freedom. And now, just under 2 years later, I literally have that. But what if I was to tell you guys, 5 years ago, I predicted exactly the same thing? Now, what's crazy about all of this, right? And I'm going to get to it in a minute. I'm going to show you guys proof on the fact that I predicted everything that's happening in my life right now. So over 5 years ago, I was having a conversation with someone, and I was in Dubai at the time. I was on holiday here, and I said to him, you know what, I love Dubai. I really want to live here one day. And yeah, we were just having a conversation, and I said, you know what, by 2024, I'm going to live in Dubai. I'm going to have my own home here, and I'm going to have the opportunity to live in Dubai, and I'm going to be financially free. Now, bear in mind, I said this back in 2019. 2019, I must have been, what, maybe 23, 24 years old, something along those lines. And at that time, I had no plan, right? I wasn't really doing anything with my life. I didn't have an online business. I wanted to become rich. I had ambitions to become rich. I had ambitions to live in Dubai. But honestly, at that time, it was not likely. In fact, nothing was likely, right? But how did I predict in 2019 that by 2024, I will move to Dubai? Now, the crazy thing is, guys, I didn't move to Dubai in 2023. I didn't move to Dubai in 2022. I didn't even move to Dubai in 2025. I moved to Dubai exactly in 2024. And not only did I move in 2024, I also quit my 9-to-5 job in 2024. I tried to find jobs here in Dubai, but I couldn't get any. So I decided, you know what, let me focus on my online business and make money that way. And that's how I secured financial freedom. So not only did I quit my 9-to-5 job, move to Dubai, I also had financial freedom because I was no longer working a job. I was working for myself. And I said this 5 years ago. Let me show you guys the screenshots, right? So 5 years ago, back in 2019, I said with the exact accuracy, by 2024, I'm going to move to Dubai, I'm going to have my own home, I'm going to have the opportunity to live here, and I'm going to be financially free living in Dubai. Now, honestly, this blew my mind because I only found this a few days ago, right? And when I saw this, I was like, wow. And guys, I've predicted a lot of stuff in my life, right? I've always predicted things which have ended up coming true. But to be honest, this was the scariest thing for me, because when I saw this, I realized even more how powerful your words are, how powerful it is, the things that you say, right? A lot of people live their life in this sort of negative mode and say negative things, right? But you need to understand that for you to actually get where you want to be, you need to say positive things and take positive action. Obviously, just by saying positive things, your life's not going to change. You need to take action, right? And a lot of you guys are probably working a 9-to-5 job. You don't like where you are right now, and you want to change your life and move to a place like Dubai, which is where I am now. I mean, look at the views, right? Absolutely amazing. But my life's changed because, yes, I predicted what's going to happen. I said I'm going to do this, but I didn't just say it. I acted on it. I actually did it, right? I took that action. I took that risk. I moved to Dubai, right? Now, you can argue that the timing of it was very coincidental for me to say I'm going to leave in 2024 and then move in 2024. That's a whole different story altogether. But the point is, I said I'm going to live in Dubai, and I moved there in 2024. Let me show you guys another screenshot I had with another friend of mine about 3 years later, saying I'm going to move to Dubai within 2 years. Guys, I want to make something very, very clear. I did not plan to move to Dubai by 2024. These were things that I was just saying to people, right? I had no idea how I was going to do it. I had no idea how I was going to do all of this stuff, right? And I'm going to show you guys another picture, which you'll see in front of your screen right now. Now, this is something I put on my story back in 2023 when I came to Dubai on my honeymoon. And in this video that you can see, I clearly said that next time I come to Dubai, I'm not leaving. And funny enough, the next time I came to Dubai, I didn't end up leaving. I ended up staying, which was in 2024 when I moved. And all because I took a risk in my life, all because I said, you know what, I want to achieve this. And I went out and did it. And I lied to myself. I said to everyone, this is my goals, I'm going to do this. And I ended up doing it, right? So, albeit I lied to myself, eventually it came true, right? Because I said, I'm going to do something, and I did it. Now, guys, this doesn't happen without action. Now, just before I continue the video, If you guys are looking to make money online, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis on a 3-month program, scale you to 10K a month by selling your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and we can literally go on a call together, and I'll see exactly how I could help you. Even though I predicted all of this stuff, right? Anyone can say tomorrow, yeah, I'm gonna move to Dubai in 2026, for example, or I'm gonna move to Dubai and do this, or I'm gonna start an online business, and I'm gonna become a multi-millionaire, and I'm gonna become rich, right? All of these people can say all of these things, but saying it doesn't mean it comes true, right? Saying something repeatedly doesn't mean it comes true. If you don't take action, none of it will come true, right? And this is what I'm trying to explain. That, okay, cool, I said these things. At the time, I had no clue. I didn't understand what I was doing. Literally about 2-3 years later, I started my online business. I started YouTube at the time, and I was making money through that. And yeah, that's when I started getting into the online world, started making money online, started business, all of that kind of stuff. But I wouldn't have moved here today if I didn't take that action. If I didn't take that action and said to myself, you know, I'm going to start something which can actually help me move to Dubai, I would not be here today. So, albeit I can say whatever, I can say I'm going to become rich, I'm going to be successful, all of these things, but none of this would have come true if I didn't take action. And a lot of people think that just by saying things, things are going to happen. And to be honest, I was that guy at one point. I used to say things just for the sake of it, but I never took action. And guess what? My life didn't change, right? But the thing is, I knew deep down I will move to Dubai. I knew deep down this is my life. I didn't want to settle for less. But I'm telling you guys, the only way you're actually going to be able to achieve your goals, become successful, become rich, is by taking crazy action. Guys, I moved to Dubai with no money. I had no money when I moved here. I couldn't get a job, right? Because none of the jobs were accepting me. If you guys know what it's like trying to get a job here, it's very, very difficult. You have to be exceptional for them to even consider you, right? So imagine me coming here on a 3-month basis at the time, trying to find a job, thinking that if I don't sort things out now, I'm gonna have to go back to the UK. Like, imagine the embarrassment of me having to go back to the UK after telling everyone I'm leaving, I'm gonna make money here, blah, blah, blah. Then going back to the UK, going back to my parents' house, right? It's embarrassing. But I didn't do that. I found a way, right? I made money online. At the time, it wasn't a lot, but I kept working, kept trying different business models. And eventually, I found a business model that has completely changed my life. Now, just a quick one. If you guys do want to use that same business model to make money online, where I can scale you to 10K a month, working with you on a 3-month program, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and we can see how I can help you. And honestly, guys, this business model has completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai, make 6 figures a year. And because of that, I'm now able to help other people make money online, which is the best feeling ever, right? And I'm just gonna throw in a few testimonials with clients that I've actually worked with.
I honestly cannot speak higher of working with Alim. I have literally referred 3 of my mates who have either wanted to start businesses in that industry just because of how well he is at what he is and how well his methods and strategies are. I have not worked with a single coach who can actually provide me as much strategy, legitimacy, and actually stick to their word for as long as what he has. It's honestly, it's fucking incredible, like, what he's actually done and how he's actually, like, literally changing my life, like, in the moment as I record this. But it's just like the strategies and what methodologies he has is just incredible, and it's honestly been the highest ROI investment I've had, and honestly, I could not ask for a better coach.
Hey guys, Phil here. I just wanted to share a quick testimonial of my experience working with Alim. I'm sure you've probably seen Alim on his YouTube channel, similar to myself, and you're able to relate with Alim on 1 or 2 things which is mentioned on his YouTube channel. Over the past 3 to 4 weeks or so, working with Alim, I've been able to learn a lot, in his, with his ways and with his magic. I was able to help me narrow down on a niche which I actually I didn't know I had a lot of passion and skill set in. So if you have any questions or if you have any doubts about working with Alim, cast those doubts away and book your call with Alim as soon as possible. And I promise you, you wouldn't regret it.
I'm working with Alim for a few months now, and he's helped me develop and grow as a person, as well as unlock potential inside of me that I didn't know I had. What this has done has given me a great deal of confidence in different aspects, such as filming videos, getting used to using different tools for my business and much more. Alim is a great coach that provides good guidance, especially for beginners like myself. So I would highly recommend his services.
To be honest, like you have literally been like the best investment of a coach that I have ever bought. Like this honestly makes up for me getting absolutely railed, losing 70 grand. So yeah, this is gonna be crazy. But yeah, we just need to keep on building up the system, building up.
So as you can see, guys, right, the clients have had a really good experience with me. So again, if you do need any help with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and let's see if we can get you onto the program where I can actually help you. But guys, you need to understand one thing, right? One, you need to be positive, say good things, because if you don't say good things, if you don't constantly say bad things, and you keep wondering why your life's going bad, it's because you keep saying bad things, right? The more bad things, the more negative things you're doing, the more you're attracting that in your life, especially if you combine that with inaction, right? If you combine that with inaction, you're gonna get like bad things happen to you all the time. However, the opposite is true. If you say good things and you are positive and you take action, literally, bruv, anything you want can be achieved. Don't listen to people that say, oh, it's not, there's no chance of that happening, it's not realistic, do something that, you know, is a little bit more realistic. Guys, take action, have big dreams, say your dreams out loud, and trust me, you will achieve them.